What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, the old scar in his face, your boy Scarface. And today we're gonna go do a Ross finds video. I'm on my way to Ross right now. I got a little GoPro thing for my car, as you can see that I'm driving, obviously. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna mount it on my car. That way I can do like talks and stuff. And I also wanted to test it out to see what it sounds like, because I don't know what it potentially sounds like. Is it echoey? Is it muffled, the voice and things like that? Because I have to take my GoPro in now without the whole setup that I have for it, just because if you guys follow the channel for a little bit, the guy at Ross said that we couldn't record, but we're still bringing you those videos, or these videos, you know. Ain't nobody gonna stop the hustle. People will try to knock your hustle. Don't let them find ways around it. Never let somebody stop you from what you're trying to do. So I'm actually on my way to go meet up with Weech and Julio, obviously, my boys. And we're gonna try to go find some limited shoes at Ross. Ross has been picking up. I've seen, like, I follow a few Facebook pages and stuff like that. Ross has been picking up, and so I'm hoping we find some really good stuff today. We're also gonna make a pickups video later today, because some of the guys have been picking up shoes, just to show you guys what some of the stuff that we've been getting. So yeah. Julio coming in clutch.
I think you might fit in this one, bro, because it's flying there. They're wrong, you know, they're wrong kind of big.
Yeah, what size is this?
9.5.
And then these are the 10?
Mm-hmm. That's not bad for it. Dude, you know the flying net ones? Alright, here you go. I got you.
$20 large.
What's it?
20.
Never bought anything on the back?
Sweet. On Go? Like $100, bro, for men's size?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
The only thing that's weird, dude. Some bricks. Damn, dude. You trying to layer or what?
Yep.
Heard the 80.
Yeah, see, this is 82, and they have a what for $40? They made it look like a Levi's.
Bro, that tag.
Yeah, because at first you would think it was Levi. Like,
yeah,
that's
what I thought too. Something there.
I thought it was Patriots. Oh, that's the brand. I thought it was a Patriots shirt, dude.
Has retail on it.
Does it? Oh.
It's on clearance for 14.
Oh shit, that's not bad.
I like the now that.
What's that? They need to make up their mind. Dude.
Oh no.
They've been, oh no, those are pretty neat. These are the ones that keep showing up now, dude.
Yeah.
Shit. Found some ultra. Nah. Oh yeah, we saw those right now. I want to get some slip-ons, dude.
Those are dope, dude.
But these are what, size 8? Yeah, they're not fit. They've been growing on me.
The slip-ons?
Yeah,
like the checkers or like the plain ones?
Just any type of slip.
Feel that?
Oh shit! It feels like a sofa, dude. You know how some sofas feel like that?
Oh yeah. Is that velvet? Look at like the. Looks like a. No, it's just like rough. It reminds me, I don't know what material shoe has this.
It's like a heavy. Those are bright, dude, right there.
I know, right?
Got those New Balances. Just newbies.
16.99.
That's not bad, dude. All the cleat people.
Are those Pumas?
Oh yeah, those are Pumas.
These are the other ones. Another Balenciaga. Oh, these are heavy.
You can tell they're heavy.
They look like the Balenciagas, dude. For $30.
Nice.
For $30, you'd be flexing. Those are like runners, aren't they?
Yeah, dude, not bad for $17 though.
Nah. Oh shit, they're heavy, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost like that.
Baseball for girls.
That's a nice color. They're baseball, aren't they? Yeah. It's only the olive ones. Those are pretty clean though.
Yeah.
Babyface likes those a lot. Yeah, he buys them a lot now. These will fit
Size
you, dude.
13.
Oh, that's a weird. It's like reflective too.
It's like the Jordan one.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
called the something high right here. It's on the tongue.
Nike
Sky
High. These are clean, dude.
They're nice, right? 10.5.
Casual shoe. Aries.
Are these the Irving's 3?
I don't know how to tell. I know there's like a way you could tell like kind of how the side is. Oh, that's like the quilted look with the initials all over it.
That's all too.
This one's really nice.
Look at those
How much are those?
Bro.
How much are those?
$49.99. Those are burgundy slip-ons.
Oh, the Lulu Force.
Yeah. The soles, this like they're nice though.
Yeah, those are clean, dude.
Waterproof.
How much are those?
There's a white pair.
That's not bad.
They don't have any more of the Puma Balenciagas?
Throw them out with my whole Adidas thing.
Like on black.
Oh, these are Pumas, bro.
No, I know. That's why the burgundy ones over there were Pumas too.
Those little Skechers. Clean. 45.
What?
Skin. Oh, my bad, bro.
They're so weird, bro. Did you see those ones that they dropped on sneaker sales?
Poor man, 6s.
7. 6.5.
6.5. 6.5.
6.
It looks like a Cortez and a Roshi.
Yeah, Roshi.
No, but the front, you see how it's like the Cortez?
Yeah. And then with the Roshi sole.
Yeah.
But that sole is different, huh?
They're course sheath.
And not bad for $24.99. Yeah, look at that,
Oh
bro.
shit, dude.
You be stuck in the alley
No,
with that, dude.
Hold on.
And then get the
What you need?
Balenciagas, dude. Yo, let me get some chicle.
Let me get some paper, dog.
Let me get some chicles.
This in this other pocket.
Oh, it's in the other pocket. And
22.
then they'll flip them in lots.
Here you go, here you go, each.
Oh shit. That's what we
Stand
need
out,
right there.
be odd.
Oh, what size are the boxers?
Small.
Oh, small.
When you go skiing, bro.
Exactly, dude.
Where's my dogs at?
Where my dog? Who let the dogs out? Boom, boom, boom. $5.99 compared to what? They're like $25, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Oh, they got a large, dude.
There you go,
What you talking about? Which?
Whoa, here we go, dude.
What you talking about? Which?
Those smalls, I'm on my side.
Which ones would you buy if they haven't had them in stance?
Right here, dog.
Shh.
What's hat?
Can you see the front? Colorado Rocket.
It's a snapback.
Price?
Ramsky here now.
Get your Rams gear at Ross right now before it sells out.
I know, right?
There we go.
This is big, bro.
Give them those. Hey,
Dude, when
hey, when we go to Cali,
Wanna
dude.
go to Cali, bro? We went to the beach, right?
Hey. That's it right there, dude.
Right now?
That's it right there.
Dude.
$50 hat for $6.99.
Hey, this looks like a good quality hat. Just looking at it now.
It actually does, dude. What's the brand?
Tommy.
Oh no, that is a good
Bahama.
brand, dude. Oh shit.
$25 for
What's it at right there? $12.99. That's not
like
bad.
half price.
Not bad.
That, man.
Oh, they got the little the baby
Look how
blazers.
dope.
Too.
With the gun bottom.
Shh, might should be laced though, dude. About cleats, let us know. Are these pretty good? Good flip, dynamic fit. Let me read the side right here. Flip it. What does it say? Engineered for
Speed. Oh wow.
Fuel X.
Fucking
So,
run
yeah.
faster.
Let us know. Let us know if you guys know. Yeah, I saw these in Poke. Hold them.
Why
I got
you
like
more-
so much shit on my. No, it's like the Kush ones. You see on the inside it says
Yeah.
Ultra Kush. It's like loungewear. How much are they? $24.99.
$24.99.
They feel like down tempos.
The down tempo. $36.99. Size 1.
What does that mean on it?
The
That's
eight?
the Roman numerals.
Sure, it's number 8.
Is he number 8?
No, it's number 2.
No, 2. Yeah, 2. 0.
Like,
How much are they? $36.99. 1.5. Pretty good. Ayue.
here you are, found it.
Oh shit.
They're nice, bro.
Oh, those are clean. Hold on to them. I'm gonna probably take them. Try to flip. Those are nice, dude.
Look at that. I like this little small writing plus that black check.
Too bad they don't have the black one or
I
the
know,
box,
bro.
dude.
Hey, look at the grip. I like the grip one so much, bro.
Perfect for basketball.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Those are weird.
Oh, boys, they still have. Murder,
Bro, I feel like copying them in this.
Size 4, bro. Size 4, size 4.
Those are clean. Saul was wearing his yesterday. Shout out to Saul. He watches the videos. Those are clean, dude.
Did you get these, you said?
Yeah, hold on to them, please.
Yeah, these are so hard, dude.
You're not gonna cop?
Wow, that and plus the, they're indoor, right?
The other ones are indoor. These ones are outdoor.
Bro.
Those are clean, dude. You got the Clydes for $16.99.
And the burgundy one.
Oh yeah, the burgundy ones. See, I would get the burgundy ones if they had my size. Some more cubes. I don't think I'd be able. These look not cool. We're being sneaky out in this motherfucker. I'm all looking for the other type. That's why I like had the other strap.
A lot of shoes in the day. Here's some other ones. Those kind of nice, bro.
Yeah, they had like
a little patent leather.
They had some olive ones like this in Pokey, dude, on sale, but they were size.
You know, I regret. Remember when we went to Boise the first time with Brandon? Those black ones with the white right here. They were like $60.
Yeah, the old ones.
You regret not copping them?
Those and the soldiers, silver bullets.
I tell him every time, dude. I was like, later you're gonna regret it, dude. Grab it. Oh yeah, they had these in Pokey too. Hopefully the camera does it justice.
Size 10s are my size 8.5.
I like it when girls. Are they Reeboks?
Yeah.
The $21.99. That's like weird.
Reacts.
Nike. The Reacts, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are, bro. What size are those?
8.5. $49.99.
Which one is this one? It's not the 87, but it's
the 55.
These are nice. Lily size?
Yeah.
When is Valentine's?
Yeah.
Valentine. Balenciagas. Oh, let's check out the other side, dude.
These are bright.
For real. So are these. Look. It's like Christmas colors, dude. Or not Easter colors.
That stitching and that marbling on the back.
Picture of these.
Are you gonna send them to her?
Yeah, I think she likes them.
She gonna know what she's gonna get her then.
Well, no, they were surprised. Just
be like, what do you think of these?
Yeah.
They are.
Let me see the first. I'll move the lace. Coach. Let me see the bottom.
This is like weird.
And they're heavy as hell. On these. How much are they?
$49.99.
And here's Julio found down. How much are they? $130.
$130.
Yeah, cop. These are on sale too.
These caught my eye.
Oh, those Puma ones are nice, dude.
They're kind of like that rose gold.
Yeah. Which other ones did you say?
Oh, they're right here and then right here. These are hard.
I see these boots.
What are the price on them?
$39.99.
That's pretty good. They got that other colorway.
Ultra Boost.
Ultra Boost. Nah. So we completely missed these. $49.99. Some Coach. Let me see the side. Boom. Might have to take them. Who knows? We'll see right now. Dude. All right. Well, don't show it yet. No. Well, you guys saw what we found in the video, obviously. We got a lot of pickups, so we're actually going to do a pickup video right now because Julio brought some shoes, and then Weech also brought some shoes that they have picked up, and just some of my other Ross pickups. So just make sure, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We got a bunch more shit coming. And if you're in Boise, us three are going to be there, so come say what's up. And yeah, as for a sticker, we're going to take stickers too. So we're going to have a Boise exclusive sticker that Weech ordered. Yep. Oh, wow. So if you're out in Boise, if you want one of those stickers, just hit us up. It's going to be for Boise only. And if you want it beforehand, we could probably send you some. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.